Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find new music on Spotify. Or maybe the best way how you can find new music on Spotify. And this is quite simple. So Spotify has a new option that came in 2024 in the beginning this year. And that is that Spotify can give you a random song in your playlist that you already create. That is almost the same song or songs that those are standing in that playlist. So right now if you go to your library and I go to a let's see, Summer of House playlist, I have a lot of house songs standing just right here. And if I click on one song right now and I go to that song, you see here the shuffle option. So now it's just shuffling in this playlist, and right now he smart shuffle in this playlist, and that means that he will give you sometimes the song that is already standing in his playlist, but he can also sometimes give you a song that is brand new. So right now if I click on next song, now I have this song in my playlist, I have this song in my playlist, but this song, Baby Again from Fred Again, Skrillex and Fortet, I don't have this song in my playlist. And then you will see that sign on the left side of the authors or the artist name. You see that green little sign, and that means that you are on the smart shuffle and you will also get new songs which are compared with your songs that you already have in your playlist. So this is the best way to find new music on Spotify, and please try this thing out because this new option or feature is awesome. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.